Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the trades I took today, Tradeify, and some Topstep news. So let's get straight into it. Here, here's where my Tradeify account is right now with this one Tradeify account. Um, this has not updated. Right now, I'm going to show you in Tradeify. I'm at like 52,000 or whatever. So I'm 175 off from passing this evaluation. The only problem is I have to get below the consistency rule of 40%. So after this updates tomorrow, I'm gonna see where I'm at, and I'm probably gonna have to take a few small losses. Um, a few small losses to get a lower consistency rule, and I'm gonna have to take a few small profitable trades to dilute the consistency rule. And once I get to at or below 40%, I can just pass this account. I did go for daily payouts for right now, and then obviously I'm gonna scale in, and I'll probably have like 3 5-day payout accounts, select accounts, and then 2 daily payout accounts, and just trade them all at the same time. Um, Now let's see what trade I took today. Right now I'm in the paper trading account. I did not log into my Tradeify account because I don't know. I just didn't. Anyways, basically on the 4 hour and 1 hour, I had already marked up areas of key levels or support resistance. As you can see, I have the red areas as key levels, and then I have the white lines as like key levels that we've broken through a couple times. Now, I noticed that we were kind of trading around this level. We bought here and it went up. I mean, not we bought here, but price got here, it went up. Then it broke through, came back up here, sold off again, came up, sold off again, came up, sold off again. But I did notice that price was slowly trying to break through this area here. We ended up breaking through the middle of the night, but price came back here. So I was really trying to read at the 8:30 market. Okay, are we gonna come here and then bounce and go up, or are we gonna push through? Um, I believe we were gonna sell off, just because of the way the candles were forming. So I took a sale, um, and yeah, I was in profit. Pretty easy day. The only issue that I had was I didn't wait on candle timing. And what I mean by candle timing is on the 8:30 candle, or like on any of these time frames, if price is going to go up or down, for example, in this situation go down, I'm first waiting on price or that candle to pull back a little bit. So price had already got to this area and I started to sell. I got it for a sale. Um, it opened here and then it went here. So I got it for a sale right away because I'm expecting it to just drop, which it ended up doing anyway. But I didn't wait on that pullback first. So price went against me. I went down like $900 or whatever in drawdown. So now I needed to be careful on my entries and more patient. Once we kind of broke this low of this wick, I got in for a sale, and you know I was at profit. I'm going to show you that. So pretty easy day for the most part. I just gotta watch being faked out at market open, which is why I've been trying to trade around 8:45 or 9 a.m. or even 10 a.m. Just depends on me in general. And then trade of eight. As you can see, gross P&L 413, total profit 1,300 or around 1,400. Like I said, I went down 900 something, so I need to make 1,300 to make 1,400 profit. Pretty simple. Had this line drawn up here. I got in around this area, and yeah, I got out around here. This is on M&Q though, because I did take one contract on M&Q, and I took two contracts. If I go here, I don't know why it's different. Maybe I haven't changed. I ain't do the template yet. As you can see, 1,300 or whatever. Pretty simple. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, so that's it. Literally my trading strategy. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible. Mark up key areas, trade around those key areas only. Don't worry about trying to get in the middle. If we're trading in the middle, I'm probably not going to touch it unless it hits a key area first. Another thing, let's talk about Top Step. I think I said Monday or last week. It was either Monday or last week. I've tried. Top Step has been having problems. Top Step X, sorry, the platform has been having problems with their platform for since October, consistently. Every week, it's either 1 or 2 days where they have problems, and Monday was kind of the last straw for me, or it was either Monday or Friday, 1 or 2. It was the last straw for me because I was in profit on a funded account, and I was in profit, and I was trying to kind of hold a little bit longer to get to a certain profit target, but I seen volume came in and price started going against me, so I tried to close the account on my phone because I was trading from my phone. Usually it's never an issue. I was trading from my phone and I tapped the X button like 20 times, 10, 20 times, and it did not work. And because it did not work, I ended up blowing that account. So I went from 400 profit, 500 profit. If I would have been able to close on the first button tap, I would have ended up with 300 profit. I would have been done for the day. But that didn't happen, obviously. Uh, yeah, that just didn't happen. Just didn't work out that way. But I like I said, I pressed the button 10 to 20 times. It did not close. I blew that account with Topstep. That was the last straw. So I was like, this platform has been having problems for 2 months straight every single week. So from now on, I'm just gonna have to go to Tradeify. I like Topstep X as a platform because it has some features that I like, but I'm gonna just have to go to Tradeify, something that's proven. So went to Tradeify, got a Tradeify account, the select plan, and to be honest with you, I've been liking Tradeify. Like I'm not even gonna lie to you. I mean, not Tradeify. Sorry. Well, I do like Tradeify, but I've been liking Tradeovate. Now, I do dislike the fact that I can't see like my um TP and stop loss, like the actual money figure. I know you can do it in TradingView, but TradingView lags behind. I'm not even gonna get into that. TradingView lags too far behind actual price action, so I'm not even gonna get into that. But I'm starting to like it. I'm starting to get used to it, and it's simple. It's fast. I don't have to worry about things not working. I wish you could trade from the chart on your phone. I haven't seen anybody do that. So it is what it is. I just trade from my desktop or my laptop or whatever, like I'm doing now. The only I don't really have no issues with it, honestly. So, anyways, now back to Top Step. I don't understand how Top Step X platform is always crashing every single week. It crashed Monday. No, it crashed Tuesday. Right after Monday when I moved to Tradeify, it crashed again. Right? It crashed again, and then I don't understand how they have the audacity to try to launch a brokerage. And I'm pretty sure they're going to use their own platform, Topstep X. I don't understand how they plan to launch a brokerage if their platform is messing up with simulated data. How do they expect people to put their money in their brokerage with Topstep X issues happening every single week? I just do not understand. I just do not understand. Now, mind you, throughout all of that, I was still trading mostly with Topstep X or Topstep. But at some point, accountability has to be taken into consideration. And the other thing I don't like is when there are platform issues, the CEO, he never talks or addresses it. Like when it happens and people are adding him, he never addresses that there's issues. Obviously, the company account will, like Topstep X account will, like the X account. But he never addresses it until it's a huge, huge issue, which a platform issue is a huge issue. But he never directly addresses it right away. He waits until the heat kind of calms down, then he'll come out and say something. And another thing is with Tradeify, if you were trading with a Top Step X account, I think it's only if you had negative a negative effect, if it had a negative effect on your account, they're going to reset it. Compared to Topstep X, if you had a positive effect, even if you made money, they're going to reset it. So how are your competitors doing a better job of giving back to the community because of errors on their end than you are? I just cannot understand it. And I'm starting to see with like a lot of these like YouTube content creators, traders, like Jesse, uh, Patrick Whalen, and a couple other people are starting to say about like I'm starting to really get what they were saying about Top Step. Like it's just no accountability really. But that's it for the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.